The IRS expects 150 million individual returns this season. Yet, a 2024 survey shows 68% of first-time filers still panic seeing that two-page Form 1040. If that's you, breathe. By this 9-minute walkthrough's end, you'll have a completed return and a clear refund in your head. We're tackling the most common situation: single, 1 W-2, no kids, taking the standard deduction. Grab your form, a black pen, and let's turn the scary into simple. Pause. Before you write a single letter, know this: the biggest mistake rookies make is rushing past that tiny top box asking for your first name. One typo can delay your refund 6 weeks. We'll move line by line so that never happens. Don't forget to subscribe and share this channel. Section 1, Personal Info. Section 1, Personal Info. Print your legal name exactly as it appears on your social security card. If you go by Jim but your card says James, write James. Same rule for your middle initial and last name. Below that, drop in your 9-digit SSN with the dashes. Computers read them. Street address goes next. Use the address where you want the IRS to reach you year-round, not your driver's license address if you've moved. City, state, zip, easy. For filing status, check single unless December 31st finds you married. Today we stay single. Skip the presidential box, it doesn't change your refund. Quick win, you're already 10% done. Section 2, Income. Flip to page 1, line 1A. Your W-2 box 1 shows wages of, say, $42,000. Enter $42,000 without commas or dollar signs. If you have a $1,099 INT from a savings account, drop that interest on line 2B. Our example adds $50, so total income on line 9 is $42,050. No crypto, no side gigs, no headaches, just 2 boxes filled. Section 3, Adjusted Gross Income. Line 11 is your AGI. Because we're not claiming student loan interest or HSA contributions today, AGI stays $42,050. That number becomes the foundation for every later calculation. Circle it lightly in pencil if you want a visual anchor. Section 4, Deductions and AMP. Taxable income. The 2025 standard deduction for single filers is $14,600, up $750 from last year. Write $14,600 on line 12. Subtract $42,050 minus $14,600 equals $27,450. That's your taxable income on line 15. One subtraction, no schedule are needed. Section 5, Tax and AMP. Credits. Figure what you owe. The IRS 2025 tax tables show $27,450 lands in the 12% bracket, producing a tax of $3,068. Enter $3,068 on line 16. Credits come next. Since we're keeping it starter level, leave lines 19 to 21 blank and carry $3,068 forward. Section 6, Payments. Look at your W-2 box 2, Federal Withholding. Our example shows $4,200. Enter $4,200 on line 33. If you get a $1,099 INT with withholding, add that tiny amount here too. Total payments end up $4,200. You've already paid more than you owe. Refund time. Section 7, Refund. Subtract tax $3,068 from payments $4,200. You're looking at a $1,132 refund on line 37. For direct deposit, enter your routing and account numbers carefully. One wrong digit routes your cash to a stranger. Double check, then sign and date the bottom. Congratulations, you just beat the form that scares 20 million people every spring. Smash that subscribe button if this line-by-line style saved you stress, and share it with a friend who still claims taxes are impossible. Complex situations, self-employment, dependents, crypto, deserve a pro or at least reputable software. I'm not your CPA, so double-check your own numbers. You opened the envelope, you followed 9 minutes of plain talk, and now the envelope going back to the IRS contains a clean, confident return and a $1,132 refund request. File electronically, track the refund with the Ears to Go app, and next year you'll finish even faster, because the fear is gone and the blueprint is already in your head.